Hey guys, in this video we're gonna look at the latest addition to my M chassis collection. It is the brand new Xpress XM1S. The M in M chassis stands for mini. So basically what an M chassis is a mini version of an RC touring car. The one in front of me here, this was my first ever M chassis that I bought almost 10 years ago. This is the Xpress Mini Roadrunner 2 in a junior version, and ever since I've bought this one, I've been collecting M chassis. I have about 10 or so now, but a few weeks ago RC Mart sent me the latest one. And after being stuck in customs for about a month or so, it's finally here. This is their latest offering, the Xpress XM1S. This is, just like the Mini Roadrunner 2, a four-wheel drive, 210mm wheelbase mini touring car, or M chassis. The Xpress XM1S is part of the Xpress Execute line of chassis, which means that it's based on the big full-size touring car, the XQ1 and the XQ1S. What they've done is they kept most of the driveline the same. They just shortened the wheelbase and narrowed the width of the chassis so it would fit the mini bodies that you would also find on the Tamiyas, the ABCs, all the other M chassis. Let's have a look what's inside this box. When we first open the box, you're greeted with the manual. So before shooting this video, I already had a read through this manual, and what I can say is that it's very, very good. Compared to the old 10-year-old Mini Roadrunner, which just had an exploded view and nothing more, this is very, very good. You can compare the manual to a Tamiya kit, a 3 racing kit. Those are basically the best manuals in the world, and this is definitely in the same level. So that's the manual, and underneath you find a whole lot of baggies, all labeled with their individual names according to all the steps in the manual. What I can notice straight away is that a lot of these parts are plastic. The thing is, the XM1S, it has an S at the end of the name, which basically means that this is the low budget version of this chassis. With some upgrades and some extra carbon fiber, some aluminium parts, you can also make this completely high-end, top of the line touring car spec. But this kit is actually just under $100 from RC Mart at the moment, making it an absolute bargain. Because what you also get, besides the plastic pieces, is a bag with oil-filled dampers with aluminium caps. If we dig through the box a bit more, you will find stabilizers, you will find ball bearings. The kit also comes with, let me dig through, with fiberglass FRP chassis decks, which are a bit more heavy than the carbon fiber, but they're just as stiff. So this car will also drive really, really well out of the box. So besides this, the car actually comes with a lot of parts you would find on a full-size touring car. For example, you have the diffs. The front one is a composite spool, so not an aluminium spool, it's plastic, but it's very strong because it's a fiber reinforced plastic. And in the rear, you actually find an oil-filled gear diff, which is very good, and it also comes with the oils that it needs. So you get everything ready to go. One of the other main nice things about this kit is that it comes with CVD axles. Also with the drive blades to protect the ends of the shafts. Another thing you find if you open this box is that you get pretty much all the tools you need to build this kit. So it's very nice that you get all the tools you need if you don't have them already. I will not be using them because I already have my set of tools, but it's there if you need it. You won't get stuck with the build. As I mentioned before, a lot of this kit is actually plastic. Because of its low price, it's needed to keep the cost down. You can upgrade a lot of it with aluminium and carbon fiber pieces, but it's nice to know that some of the important bits on the car actually are aluminium, such as the motor mount, some of the stabilizer mounts, some of the brackets in between. They are aluminium, so you can get a nice and rigid chassis, which will drive really well. If you dig all the way to the bottom of this box, you will also find 2 sticker sheets for the Xpress, some general ones, and for the XM1S model, which is nice, so you can use this on whatever body you put on this car. A good thing to mention about that is that this is just a chassis, so you will need electrics, a body, and wheels separately. The nice thing about this is that RC Mart got me covered there. They have sent me the Xpress drift tires to give it a try, just for fun. It's a touring car, it's not a drift car, but hey, we can at least give it a try, right? And also, which I'm very excited about, is this brand new body from Xpress, a Mini Cooper pickup truck. So I'll try my best during the build to make a nice body shell out of this that will fit on the Xpress XM1S. So that's it for this unboxing video of the XM1S. In the next video, I'm gonna do the build of this car and review the process so far. We can have a look at the finished chassis, the body, and after that we're gonna race it. So thank you very much to RC Mart for sending me this kit and the accessories. If you want to buy this, go have a look on their website. It's just under $100. It's an absolute steal. I really recommend you give this a try. So subscribe to my channel if you want to see the new videos, and in the meantime you can also follow me on Instagram, which is @EnjoyRC_dice, so you can see some behind the scenes photos of the build and an album full of nice pictures of the finished result. Thank you for watching.